Hello YouTube, gut microbiome and brain. A nutritionist spoke about the relationship between emotional background, memory and the state of the gastrointestinal tract. It's hard for us now with nerves, so we remember all the possible tools, how else you can support the nervous system, emotional background, memory. Many people have heard about the close relationship between our emotional background, cognitive functions and the state of the intestinal microflora. The therapist, nutritionist decided to bring up to-date excerpts, quotes from scientists from studies on this topic. The gut microbiome has its own methods of influencing the human brain, prompting us to eat what is necessary for the life of certain bacteria. Bacteria in the gut are able to influence a person's behavior and mood through specific communication channels, encouraging us to eat what they want, and then punishing us for being disobedient or rewarding us for making favorable choices for them with a certain emotional background. The bacteria within us are manipulators. In the microflora there are a variety of nutritional interests between different types of bacteria. Some of them correspond to the diet we choose and the food we eat, and some do not. Bacteria can probably send signal molecules to the environment. Since the gut is connected to the human immune, endocrine, and nervous systems, these signals can influence our behavior in the right direction for bacteria. The key to this process may be the vagus nerve, which connects the 100 million nerve cells in the gastrointestinal tract to the brain. These microbes have the ability to control our behavior and mood by altering nerve signals in the vagus nerve, thus acting on taste buds, releasing toxins that negatively affect our health and emotions, or producing a chemical reward that makes us feel better. The composition of the microflora can begin to change in a day if we just switch to a different diet. Some bacteria will die, others will spread. In trials, probiotics or placebo were prescribed to elderly people with memory complaints. After 3 months, participants in the probiotic group who initially scored poorly on tests of cognition had improvements on tests of immediate and delayed memory. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.